Hey, Mark Rober. This is my second project for the engineering class. What I decided to do was, through inspiration of my best friend Amanda, the art buff, I decided to do an interactive art piece, right? Something that anyone can really come in, right, and interact, even if they don't really know a lot, as long as they have, capabilities of moving things, I guess. Um, this build right here is what I ended up going with. This is the Arduino. It's the Lego Uno, right? And it comes in with this MIDI circuit right here. Right, this is connected to my eDrum kit, right? This is an octo coupler, and then a couple resistors to get that, because most MIDIs require this kind of protection. And then here there's some LEDs that are attached to the outputs of the Uno. The MIDI is connected to the input of the Uno, right? And I have this here. So basically what I did was I grabbed the MIDI notes that I have for each of the pads, and I coded that into the Arduino. So whenever I hit any of those pads, right, I know which output to go through. So starting from top to bottom, it's left to right. So I'm gonna give a quick demonstration of this. That one has a bigger resistor, so it doesn't light up as much. You can see it, right? So anyone who comes into this interactive art piece can, make anything. The final product would have been more so of a full light show. The problem is that for turning on lamps, like actual light bulbs, it would need more so of a 5-volt relay, and it would have to do with 120 volt, the AC that we have here in America. I found that a little dangerous, and honestly, I think a little bit out of the scope of what I want of the project. I kind of didn't want to burn down my house. I thought that was a limitation that I put on myself. This could easily work though with some string lights from like a Dollar Tree, right? And something hanging. And I think this would be really, really interesting as a museum piece in a children's museum, right? You can have maybe not the e-kit, but maybe just the pads, a little sturdier, right? Somewhere visible so the children can interact with it, right? And maybe learn about technology as well as having fun making music and making art. I hope to see you guys for the next project, and let's see how it goes.